Did you know you could talk to the universe? Like actually have a conversation, not just wish upon a star? Turns out it's less about shouting orders and more about understanding and tuning into how the universe works. That sounds strange, right? Now keep calm and listen, because we're about to explore the universe as a giant mirror reflecting your consciousness. Imagine everything in your life, from your morning latte to that surprise traffic jam, is vying for your attention. Just like planets orbit the sun, your thoughts, feelings, and even how you tie your shoes all depend on where you focus your energy. Ignore something long enough and it fades from your world like that embarrassing high school dance nobody remembers. Here's the cool part. You are the DJ of this dance party. You get to choose what music plays, or in this case, what thoughts and experiences take center stage. Ever felt stuck in a negative loop? That's the unconscious DJ playing the same sad song on repeat. But guess what? You can hit the pause button and change the channel. It's not about ignoring every bump in the road, but about being mindful of where you invest your energy. Think of it like emotional currency. Imagine it on anger or frustration. Not the best investment, right? I know you wouldn't want to do that, but focusing on gratitude and joy, now that's some high-yield positivity. Even the law of attraction says our thoughts shape our reality. But thoughts alone are like empty shopping carts. They need your energy to move them forward. So when a negative thought tries to hitch a ride, you have the power to say, "Nah, thanks universe. I'm choosing sunshine today." Remember, the universe speaks a language of energy, not words. So the key to having a conversation isn't about yelling your desires into the void. It's about vibrating at a frequency that matches your intentions. Think positive thoughts, feel good vibes, and voila. You're sending out a clear message to the universe. But where do you even start? The first step is mindfulness. Pay attention to where your attention goes. It's like watching your thoughts sashay across the dance floor. Notice the ones that make you feel energized and empowered and give them a spotlight. As for the energy vampires trying to bring you down, politely escort them off the dance floor and replace them with some feel-good tunes. Remember, this isn't a one-time gig. Talking to the universe is a continuous conversation, a cosmic give and take. So keep practicing, keep tuning in, and above all, have fun. The universe is waiting to hear your unique rhythm. And who knows, maybe you'll even inspire some interstellar dance moves along the way. The universe is a giant listening ear, always tuned into your thoughts and feelings. From your very first breath, it's asking what lights you up. But forget languages. The universe speaks in vibes, not dictionaries. Every reaction you have, every feeling you hold, is like a thumbs up or down. Think of it like setting the thermostat for your life. When you fixate on the things you dislike, you're cranking up the heat on negativity. But by deliberately focusing on what you do want, you're turning up the cool air of joy and possibility. It's all about choosing wisely. What to amplify. Remember that cool orchestra conductor you saw in a movie? We all have that power within us. By focusing our attention on specific desires, we're like the conductor, directing the flow of energy in our lives. Ignore negativity and it fades into the background noise. Simple as that. Now the universe is a stickler for the present moment. Past regrets and future worries are like whispers in the wind, but the now is where it's at. Imagine the universe as a giant, present-focused being, always listening intently to your current vibe. Here's the fun part. The universe doesn't understand words like I will or I want. It hears them as not yet. Instead, try feeling like you already have what you desire. Think of reality as a massive buffet. Everything you could ever want is already there. So grab a plate, pile on the good stuff, and savor the feeling of having it all. The universe will pick up on your happy vibes and start cooking up ways to match them. The key is to feel successful, loved, fulfilled, whatever it is you desire. Remember, every single possibility exists, and by feeling the joy of having now, you're tuning your inner frequency to attract those possibilities. It's not just about saying you want things, it's about embodying that feeling like it's already yours. The next step in learning to talk to the universe is expanding your consciousness. This is like leveling up your character, gaining new skills and knowledge to navigate the complexities with ease. Think of that one time you tried to a poker game with seasoned pros as a new player, unaware of subtle tells and hidden strategies. You can get easily bluffed and outmaneuvered, right? Exactly, you get that. Similarly, when you're unaware of the universe's hidden dimensions, life throws unexpected curveballs. But by expanding your consciousness, you start noticing the unspoken rules, the subtle connections, hidden patterns, and your own internal compass. This leveling up involves broadening your awareness of three key aspects. 1. Yourself. You are more than just your physical body. Explore your emotions, thoughts, beliefs, and how they shape your reality. Pay attention to your intuition, gut feelings, and recurring dreams. These are often whispers from your deeper self. 2. Your mind. Become aware of your thought patterns. Are you stuck in negativity or self-doubt? Challenge limiting beliefs and cultivate positive thinking. Remember, your thoughts have power. Choose them wisely. 3. The world around you. Go beyond the surface. Be curious about different cultures, perspectives, and scientific discoveries. Connect with nature. Observe its intricate dance and feel your place within it. By expanding your awareness in these areas, you're not just collecting information, you're gaining superpowers. You become more attuned to opportunities, make better decisions, and avoid getting caught off guard by life surprises. You shift from being a passive observer to an active player, influencing your own reality with intention and awareness. Expanding your consciousness isn't about becoming a mystical guru. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. It's about embracing curiosity, exploring the world with open eyes, and realizing that you hold the power to shape your own destiny. Next is letting the universe guide you. You see, the universe offers is a pretty easy guide to understanding it. But here's the catch. It only broadcasts in feels, not words. So how do you tune into the right station, avoiding the static of your own overthinking and ego? Forget dissecting every thought with your inner critic. The real wisdom lies in your gut feeling, your intuition, the whispers of your soul. This guidance system speaks in a language far deeper than words. It's the language of feelings, of resonance. Think of it like this. Ever had that gut wrenching? No, when someone offered you a questionable opportunity while a warm yes bloomed for something seemingly out of the blue. That's your guidance system in action. It doesn't care about logic or shoulds. It simply vibrates in tune with your authentic self. Now, the ego loves to chime in with its own 2 cents, often disguised as good feelings. It might whisper about instant gratification, fleeting pleasures, or paths that align more with its desires than your true purpose. But here's the key: ego-driven good feels different. It's often fleeting, laced with anxiety, or leaves you feeling empty later. True resonance, on the other hand, feels like coming home. It's a deep sense of peace, a knowingness that aligns with your values and brings a smile to your soul, not just your face. It's like slipping on the perfect pair of jeans. They just fit effortlessly and authentically. So how do you tap into this inner wisdom? Start paying attention. Notice what makes your heart sing. What ignites your passion? What fills you with a quiet, unshakable? Yes, it could be anything. Spending time in nature, pursuing a creative hobby, connecting with loved ones? Follow those breadcrumbs of joy, those moments of deep resonance. Don't get caught up in overthinking or analyzing. Trust that your inner compass knows the way. Even if the path seems unclear, the more you practice listening to your feels, the louder and clearer the signal becomes. It's a journey, not a destination. There will be moments of doubt, times when the ego screams louder than your intuition. But with practice, you'll learn to discern the true north of your soul, the whispers of the universe, guiding you towards a life that feels not just good, but deeply, authentically you. Here's a quick tip for you: keep a gratitude journal. Noting down moments of joy and resonance helps you recognize them more easily and strengthens your connection to your inner wisdom. Let's move on to the next step: is the power of repetition. You know, when you're trying to have a deep conversation with a friend, but they're constantly checking their phone, their attention flitting like a butterfly. That's how the universe often perceives our fleeting thoughts. They zoom by, never truly sinking in. But there's a secret weapon at your disposal: the power of repetition. Think of it like sending a persistent, friendly text to the universe, clear, consistent, and hard to ignore. But before we delve into the texting technique, let's take a peek into the fascinating mirror to the universe: your subconscious mind. Unlike your chatty, daydreaming conscious mind, the subconscious is like a cabinet. It stores everything from childhood memories to last week's grocery list. And guess what? It doesn't judge whether it's a real experience or a vivid dream. The subconscious simply accepts and absorbs. But here's the key. This cabinet can be reprogrammed. Let's say you're tired of feeling like a wallflower and want to unleash your inner Beyoncé. Instead of constantly muttering, "I'm shy," create a new mantra. "I am confident and outgoing," but just mouthing the words won't cut it. You need to inject them with emotional electricity. Remember what we said earlier. What language does the universe speak? So picture yourself on stage rocking the mic, feeling the confident glow radiating from within. As you repeat this mantra infused with real feeling, something magical happens. It's like sending a beacon out to the universe saying, "Hey, check this out. This is the new me." Your subconscious, noticing this persistent signal, starts reorganizing its files. It pushes aside the dusty shyness folder and brings forth the shiny new confidence one. Gradually, this inner shift starts to manifest in the real world. As you truly feel more confident, your actions, words, and even posture will naturally reflect this change. You might find yourself striking up conversations with ease, trying new things without fear, and walking with the swagger of a rock star. But wait, there's more. Repetition isn't just about affirmations. It's about actively shaping your experiences. Remember the law of attraction? It basically says that what you focus on, you attract. Well, guess what? Repetition helps you focus with laser-like intensity. By constantly replaying positive thoughts and experiences in your mind, you're sending a clear message to the universe. More of this, please. Think of it like training a puppy. When you reward good behavior with treats and praise, the puppy learns to repeat it. Similarly, when you reinforce positive experiences through repetition, the universe rewards you by bringing more of that goodness into your life. It's not magic. It's simply the power of focused intention meeting the boundless potential of the universe. Now, don't expect overnight success. This takes practice and patience. There will be moments of doubt, just like there are days when your puppy chews your favorite shoes. But the key is to be persistent, to keep sending those positive vibes out there even when your inner critic tries to hijack the microphone. So get rid of the wallflower persona and embrace your inner rock star with the power of repetition. You can rewrite your limiting beliefs, reshape your reality, and have the universe singing along to your success story. Thanks again for watching and for joining me. Take care and see you soon.